Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to add bots to Discord server. Before we start it, make sure to subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, you have to sign in your Discord account. And then open your Chrome browser and type in top.gg. And click enter. That will take you in a website where you'll find millions of Discord bots and servers. So if you want to add a gaming bot, you can click on this gaming category. You can go to social category to add social bot to your server. So these are the top bots. For example, I am going to install this tank memer bot to my server. So to add a bot, click on this invite option here. Then click on add to server and select the server where you want to add the bot. And click on continue. Then adjust the permission from here and click on the authorize. Prove that you are a human. So here we can see the bot has been successfully added to my server. Now I am going to my server and here we can see Dunk Memer bot has been added. So this was how we can simply add a bot to our Discord server. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we will see you in the next video.